Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a retractable Spider-Man web shooter using simple materials. First, you'll need a pair of scissors, a retractable badge reel, some super glue, cardboard, and a craft magnet. First, get rid of that part that attaches to the badge. Next, cut a wristband out of a cardboard piece and put Velcro on either side. I did a classic style web shooter, but maybe you can do the Amazing Spider-Man 1 type of web shooters, or you can just do another type, like Homecoming or things like that. But just do whatever design you feel like. Next, get the badge reel and attach a small piece of cardboard and attach it to the part that used to attach to the part that attached to the badge. Then next, glue that to the magnet. Then finally, slide the badge reel's clip onto the web shooter wristband. And finally, you are done with the web shooter. Also, hit that like and subscribe button and make sure and comment down below what you want me to make next. But for you cosplayers out there, if you want to add the web shooter on top of your suit or whatever, but you really don't feel like adding a wristband, you can also use a magnet, a really strong magnet on top of that, neodymium magnets to be specific. Make sure to attach a strong one at the bottom. Now be careful with the retractable badge reel, mainly because the material that is used for the spring inside the retractable badge reel is magnetic, I think. So make sure to be careful with that. But it should still function even though it has a magnet right in it. So make sure to attach a magnet and attach a magnet under your suit, and you should be good with that. Also, if you don't feel like actually dragging out the string to shoot the web shooter, then you can also add like something a little bit heavy, not too heavy where it's dangerous, but just heavy enough where it'll actually pull the retractable badge reel string, so it'll give it like a more of a retractable effect. So maybe a really heavy, strong magnet should do. And just make sure it's not too heavy, but just make sure it's strong enough, so heavy enough to be able to pull the string. And also, if you're willing to change the string out, it's a good idea, but this time I didn't do it, mainly because the last time I did it a couple times, it was a giant hassle. So if you want to do that, you can, but I advise not to. Just keep it original. But just make sure and make it the same length as the original string that was used for the retractable badge reel, mainly because you don't want the string to be hanging out any longer than it needs to. Also, if you're looking forward to do like Homecoming or classic or things like that, also you can hide the web shooter under the body, so there's no problem with that. Just make sure it's accessible, so in case you need to remove it and add a new one, just make sure it's like that. So you can add prop cartridges on the back of it. Speaking of cartridges, I actually have made a few, so maybe one day I might be able to make a web shooter with different web modes, just like in the PS4 game, and Miles Morales PS5 and PS4. So yeah, because we all know Spider-Man has different web cartridges for different things, so maybe I can do a retractable web cartridge than a regular web cartridge or something like that. So for you cosplayers out there who want to do something like that, maybe that's an idea that you can make up. So maybe I was thinking of a web shooter that's not fully classic, but it's something similar. So yeah. And also, this is no way just a web shooter channel. As you can see, as you've seen, if you are a returning viewer and subscriber, you guys can see that not all of my videos are just Spider-Man related. I made an Iron Man project, 2 Flash projects, things like that. Also made a Fortnite video. You can check that out after this video that you fully watched. So yeah. And I've been thinking about that Tachyon project I've thought of a little while ago. So maybe, just maybe, I can make a brand new logo and a brand new everything, and actually create a Tachyon enhancer, the Tachyon enhancer from the hit CW show. So maybe if you want that, make sure and comment down below. If you want anything else, make sure and comment down below for that. Also, if you want to do any more Iron Man projects or things like that, just make sure and comment down below. Use your voice, and yeah. And also for the wristband, the reason I chose cardboard, mainly because since the retractable badge reel gives a lot of strength, and when you pull it and things like that, it may press the wristband. So maybe that's why I don't use any fabric wristbands, mainly because they're not really as sturdy enough. Some people may use an actual watch wristband, which I was really thinking of, since it's a good idea. But for me, I advise not to do that. I just maybe like something a bit more comfortable, because watches, we all know, will press into your skin and cause marks. So I just want to keep it normal, something a little bit normal, just enough where it's comfortable and everything, while it looks good at the same time. But also, if you want your web shooter to look more realistic, like I always say, use metallic markers. Use a lot of them, mainly because they always make everything look realistic, and it'll make your gadget looks a whole lot better, rather than just using a regular gray marker or just a regular blue marker or something like that. So make sure keep the looks and the mechanism in line. Also painting, you can spray paint or just regularly manually paint it on there. I advise manual paint mainly because you get to control the areas that the paint leads into. So yeah, also you can add different layers of paint, and of course, a video type I've been thinking of is Minecraft, which is one of my favorite games. So maybe one day I might be showing you guys a few Minecraft worlds and things like that. So yeah, with web shooters, there's so many infinite designs that you can think of, paints and things like that. So just do whatever you feel like. Also, if you want a more advanced web shooter, I'll maybe be doing that in the future once I get more materials. And yeah, but anyways guys, see you guys next time in the next video, and peace out.